Hello and welcome to the Bikes Entry. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this absolutely stunning first generation Kawasaki ZX10R. Personally owned one of these when they first came out. It's a proper rider's machine, no electronic interference or rider aids, no ABS or anti-wheelies, just 160 horsepower from a 999cc inline 4 that makes just over 160 horsepower. This is a really rare machine in the fact that it's a one owner bike from new, lots of original parts and lots of factory upgrades as well. It's a really clean and tidy bike that's only covered just under 15,000 miles. And as you'll see as I go around it, it's in really nice condition. So these bikes are appreciated at the moment, so we're really happy to be able to have this one and to be able to offer it for retail. So around 2004 when Kawasaki first brought this bike out, it shed loads of weight. It was previously the ZX9R, and to be competitive in the world and British superbikes, they lost a lot of weight. So you got lightweight wheels, got these I would say you would call them wavy discs, synonymous with the Kawasaki brand on the front, and then you got radially mounted 4-pot Akiko brakes. This particular bike has had braided hoses on the bike, which is something that they really did need. At the time the brakes weren't fantastic on them, but this would have improved them a lot. The bike has had the suspension reworked and set up, and you can see that it's also got the axle crash protectors on there as well. The bike's finished in the lime green, as all Kawasaki's should be in my opinion. The bodywork's in fantastic condition, it's all original. As you can see, no major marks, scratches, dings or dents on this side, no corrosion. Of course, being the age that it is, you're going to find some wear and tear, but nothing too savage on this side at all. You can see it's got the RNG crash protectors fitted on this side. It's also got Gillies rear sets. I believe we've got the originals as well. The Gillies are a really popular option because they're really adjustable. So you can bring the pegs forward, you can bring them up or down, so it would suit a taller or a shorter rider because you can adjust that for yourself. It comes with the factory fit Akrapovic. These are really rare, titanium, very sought after, and it also comes with a standard can as well. So if you're a stickler for originality, you could convert this bike back to its standard condition. At the bottom here, you can see again, we've got the lightweight wheels. It's actually got Michelin tyres on it, which look pretty much brand spanking new. And you can also see that there's a paddock stand bobbing on this side and the other side as well for your chain maintenance. A little bit higher up, you'll see that we've got a tail tidy fitted to the bike. We've also got the original factory colour-coded seat cowl. We do have the pillion seat as well. The previous owner has opted for a gel seat, so you can see the seat looks slightly more ballooned than the standard seat. We don't have the original seat sadly, but for those of you like me who prefer comfort, you'll probably get on with this seat a little bit better than the standard one. If you did want a standard one, it's not too hard to source one on eBay. There's plenty of them about. Towards the front, you can see that we've got some RNG bar ends. We've also got a sprint steering dampener. Now, one of the things with this bike being as light as it was and as aggressive is it would shake its head at any given opportunity. So that's a really nice thing to have, and it's fully adjustable. So you can adjust it for the road and or track if you wanted to. Around the front, you can see that we've got a tinted screen. We've also got some aftermarket mirrors. They do replicate the original ones, and I would say they do actually offer a little bit more vision than the original ones as well. They're a little bit more sturdy, so they'll offer a little bit more protection against vibration. On this side, very much the same. Again, you've got the same radial Akiko brakes. You've also got the axle protector on the front, the crash protector on this side as well. No major marks, scratches on this side at all. Again, you'll see normal signs of wear and tear on the belly pan, a few stone chips here and there, stuff like that. But certainly nothing too untoward. Again, you've got the Gillies rear sets on the back. It does have some blemishing on the carbon fibre heel plate. You could probably flat that off and re-lacquer that. It's not gone right through, but obviously always worth mentioning. And you can see it's also got the pyramided aftermarket combined chain and mudguard. And at the back as well, you can also see that it's got the Gillies chain adjusters. Again, a really popular brand when it comes to accessories for these bikes. Cosmetically, really the only things to point out that I've noticed, there's a couple of small stone chips just on the nose cone. Very common with these bikes, obviously the nature of what they are. And there is a small mark just on the back of the screen there, and there are just some watermarks on the screen as well, which I've noticed. Again, all minor cosmetic things, especially for a bike of this sort of vintage, but always worth mentioning. It comes with all the keys, Also fitted with a data tool, system 4 alarm and immobiliser. You can see it's also fitted with an aftermarket gear indicator of an unknown brand. I don't know about the quality of those, but it is fitted. A very simplistic dash on these. Your rev counter goes around the outside, your speed is in the centre, and then obviously you can see your temperatures adjust here as well. Just give it a start up first. Got a really nice crisp throttle response. The bike is set up fully with a power commander as well, so the exhaust doesn't affect the fueling in any way. You could convert that back to standard if you wanted to with a standard exhaust, but the exhaust isn't obnoxious. It actually sounds really nice and it complements the bike, just helps to release some of that horsepower. This bike's going to come with free delivery within England and Wales. We offer a 3-month back to base warranty as well. We do deliver to Scotland for a small charge, so if that's something that you're interested in, let us know. We can offer all the usual dealer facilities, finance, part exchange. If that's something you're interested in, or if you've got any general questions, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias. Pick up the phone and ask us any questions that you've got, or feel free to drop in and try the bike on for size. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.